Alright guys, continuation, Dino Thunder Part 2. Lightning Collection, Dino Thunder, mesogog. Theme song.
We've been expecting you.
To start off with, I am happy that we got another villain. Especially after we completed the Dino Thunder team. All we had left was Tommy here to get knocked out. So, honestly, now we have the villain, now we have the whole set. It's fantastic. Especially mesogog was always such a good villain. I like mesogog, and honestly, he was such a vicious villain. I mean, he even took Lothar in the crossover episode where Dino Thunder teamed up with Ninja Storm. Freaking mesogog literally took out Lothar, the main villain of the Dino Lightning Thunder, and put him literally on a shelf. So it's like, damn, you know this guy is gonna be mean. Actually, I would love to have that in the set here. That would have been nice. You know, a little though with Otto in it. Little jaw. Oh hell yeah. That would have been a nice touch accessory. Nice little nod back to classics. Classic episode. So the accessories come with 2 punchy hands. Hello, punchy hand. And a lightning effect to go with the punch. So yeah, punchy hands. But the main figure itself, ooh. See what I mean about the paper free? It doesn't walk. Like these guys are all bent out. Shape gotta freaking move his ass real fast. So his clawed hands looks fantastic. The face, oh my god. The face sculpt on this guy is fantastic. He has a hinge jaw, an opening jaw, 360 degrees, all around. Not a bad looking mesogog. Honestly, he is a very good mesogog figure. Even inside his coat, he'll all sculpted. It's actually really good. I would say this is a really good figure, guys. Do not sleep on the mesogog here. It's quite heavy too with the extra detail. And now he just face planted. I mean, size comparison with the rest of the team. It looks great. You know what, let's go ahead and bring in a villain, shall we? You know, since he's been popular lately. Mesogog, meet Lord Zed. Ooh, just think of the possibilities. Honestly, this right here looks fantastic. Hands down, a fantastic figure. You know, zoom up. Let's get my final thoughts right now. Alright, so final thoughts on the mesogog figure. This thing is fantastic. Do not sleep on it. Do not pass him up. He's quite heavy. He looks like a good he is a good fat piece. All around, especially if you have the rest of the Dino Thunder Rangers, pick them up. If you just want to pick up Tommy and him, pick it up. If you want me to get into the details why these two have history together, yeah, just watch Dino Thunder. It's a good series. I mean, honestly, it's not bad at all. I really like how he came out. It's removable. Uh-oh, Mesogog took the Black Ranger power. It was Mesogog the whole time. Ah. But yeah, all around a fantastic set. Highly recommended. Hunt these guys down, pick them up, have a good time. This has been the Masked Ninja. Signing off until next time. Remember, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, leave a comment down below. Just say hi, I don't care. Adios, muchachos. Peace.